Welcome, in front of me is an LG K50 and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a cable like this one that you use for charging, and plug it into your computer. And from there, you want to power off the device. So let's hold power key and then select power off. Now once it's off, what you want to do is hold a volume up. And while holding volume up, you will plug in the device. So holding volume up, I'm gonna plug it in, so just get a better grip. Okay, and I'm holding only volume up. So once you plug it in, it should turn on. And we're now in the download mode, as you can see. So from here, it tells you to not unplug the device from the USB. Now this only applies if you would be actually copying something from the computer and installing some software or whatever, but we're not, so it doesn't really apply. So I'm also going to show how to leave this mode while also unplugging it. So to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold volume down and power key, and the screen will turn off, and then it will automatically power back on its own. Okay, now let's just wait for it to turn back on. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the download mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.